In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two cryptocurrencies using CoinMarketCap. If you're new to the world of digital currency, or even a seasoned trader looking to make more informed decisions, this guide will help you effectively evaluate and compare different cryptocurrencies side by side. This process can really give you some valuable insights into their performance, trends, and potential value. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access the CoinMarketCap website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in CoinMarketCap.com. This is a well-known and trusted platform for tracking the performance of various cryptocurrencies, providing comprehensive data that includes market capitalization, volume, and price information. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see it's packed with a wealth of resources and tools designed to give you the most accurate and up-to-date information on cryptocurrencies. Now, navigate through the homepage to find the specific coin you're interested in. You can do this by using the search bar located at the top of the page. Input the name of the cryptocurrency you want to analyze. Let's say you're interested in Bitcoin. Once you find it, click on the name or its corresponding link, and this will take you to its dedicated page. Here, you'll see detailed statistics about Bitcoin, including its price chart, market cap, and historical data. To compare this coin with another, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the coin's page. Here, you'll find the comparison tool, typically indicated by a small arrow or a similar icon next to a compare button. Click on this arrow to expand the comparison tool. This feature is a handy part of CoinMarketCap that allows users to juxtapose the selected cryptocurrency against others, offering a direct side-by-side comparison. Next, you'll want to select the second coin for your comparison. You'll see a prompt asking you to choose another coin. Enter the name of the coin you'd like to compare it with. For illustration, suppose you're interested in seeing how Ethereum stacks up against Bitcoin. Type in Ethereum, select it from the drop-down, and CoinMarketCap will immediately present a detailed comparison view. This view gives you a comprehensive overview, contrasting both cryptocurrencies across various metrics. Take your time to analyze the plethora of data available, from price movements and market cap to trading volume and historical trends. Pay attention to these metrics, as they are crucial for making informed trading or investment decisions. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is notably volatile, so having reliable data can really enhance your strategy. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to comparing cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. By using this tool, you can deepen your understanding and make more educated decisions in the ever-changing world of crypto. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more insights and tips in future videos.